Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Pururem. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
आयज डिमोलिशनाचे 5वो दीस आसा आणि सध्या त्या स्पॉटार मामलेदार एडिशनल कलेक्टर त्याचबरोबर मांद्रे पोलीस फोर्स जे आसा आमकां स्पॉटार दिसपाक येता आणि त्याचबरोबर PWD आणि हेर डिपार्टमेंटाचे हांगा आसात आणि सध्या आयज जे डिमोलिशनाचे काम सध्या स्टॉप केल्ले आसा खंय तरी मेजरमेंट घेवप सुरू आसा जे डिमोलिशन केल्या ताचे मेजरमेंट सध्या थंय स्पॉटार घेतना आमकां सध्या दिसपाक येता RZचे ऑफिसर त्या स्पॉटार आमकां दिसूंक ना आणि सध्या जे डिमोलिशन आसा स्टॉप आसा पूण हेर डिपार्टमेंट आणि त्याचबरोबर पोलीस फोर्स जे आसा सध्या आमकां स्पॉटार दिसपाक येता.
मजगती वकिलाचेर हल्लो केल्ल्या प्रकरणात आमकां बेकायदेशीरपणान अटक केल्या म्हणून दिलीप मोर्जे आणि ध्रुव मोर्जेची कोर्टात याचिका हायकोर्टान निवाडो राखून दवरला.
In Advocate Ankur Kumar assault and attempt to murder case, accused Dhruv Morje and Dilip Morje have filed petitions before the High Court pleading to hold their arrest and subsequent police remand illegal. Both the petitioners have contended that police had given same grounds of arrest to both of them at the time of arrest, which is in contradiction of this High Court's earlier verdict. Opposing the plea, the public prosecutor has contended that the High Court's that particular judgment which has been cited here is in the case where there was punishment up to 7 years. But charges against these two accused are serious, where they can be punished up to the life imprisonment. The High Court, after hearing both the parties, reserved the order in this matter.
Bureau Report, Prudent.